Hello class 8 students, I am your maths teacher Nitin. In today's lecture 1, we will start our new chapter 9, algebraic expression and identities. Okay, algebraic expression and identities. Now student, tell me what is an expression? Expression क्या होता है? What is an expression? An expression is a collection of variable, symbol and constant, right? What is expression, student? Expression is the collection of variable, symbol and constant. For example, 4x square plus 7. Okay, this is an expression. Clear? Second example, 3y plus 9. What is this? Again, this is a variable, this is symbol and this is constant, right? This is variable, symbol and this is constant, right student? So expression is a collection of variable, symbol and constant, right? It is clear to you? Now student, you will come across few terms. Okay, what are these terms? Number one is term, number two factors, right? And the number three is coefficient. Now I will explain you these three terms. What is term? Now student, term means, suppose we have we will take one example, let's say 3y square plus 9. Okay, now in this expression there are two terms. This is term 1 and this is term 2. Okay, so it is clear to you what is term? 3y square ये एक one term है, this is second term. Take second example, 4y square plus 7x plus 7. In this expression we have three terms, 1, 2 and 3. So clear what is the term? Term means, okay, clear? 1, 2, we have two terms in this expression and in second expression we have 1, 2 and 3 terms, right? Now what is a factor? Factor क्या होता है? Now I will take one more example student. Suppose 4xy, I have written 4xy, this is an expression. Now factor means all these terms 4, x and y, these are the factors of a given term. Clear student? 4xy, that is 4xy, this is the factors, these are the factors for the given term. Second example, let's say you have 20y. So what are the factors in this case? We have two factors, number one is 20 and the second one is y. Clear students? Good. Now what is the coefficient? Now student, we will learn what is coefficient. I will make you clear it by example. Let's say we have 7xy minus 7xy. Now student, coefficient means we have two coefficient. Number one is numeral and the second one is literal. Numeral means number. अगर मैं बोलता हूँ कि numeral coefficient कौन सा है, then our answer is -7. Numeral coefficient here is -7. And what is literal coefficient? Literal coefficient is xy. Okay, very simple. Numbers को numeral coefficient बोलते हैं and जो हमारे variables हैं that is they are known as literal coefficient. Now if I say what is the coefficient of, अगर ये specified नहीं है, okay, then what we will do in that case? Suppose -8x square y. Now the question is find out the coefficient of x square. तो हमको क्या करना है स्टूडेंट? इट इज वेरी सिंपल. आप x स्क्वायर जिसका पूछा है, लीव दैट नंबर एंड योर आंसर विल बी -8y. क्लियर है स्टूडेंट? x स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट क्या है? -8y. If I say what is the coefficient of y, So your answer will be minus 8x square. जिसका पूछा है उसको लीव कर दो and rest all these factors is your answer. Clear है students? So you will answer your coefficient in this way, right? Good. Now student, expression is categorized, हमने इसको नाम दिया हुआ है स्टूडेंट. एक्सप्रेशन, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन हम लिख सकते हैं, टाइप्स ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. द फर्स्ट वन इज मोनोमियल, सेकेंड वन इज बाइनोमियल, थर्ड वन इज ट्राइनोमियल, right? Now what is monomial? Any expression which has only one term is known as monomial. Example इसके सामने लिखते हैं 4x square. This is an expression, it has only one term. Multiply वाले को one term ही consider करते हैं. Okay? अब बोलना नहीं कि 4 और सर x अलग अलग है, no. अगर multiply होता है बीच में, because these are multiplied, multiply और division को हम single term ही count करते हैं, right? 4x square and the second example is x upon 2. These two are the examples of monomial. So monomial means an expression which have only one term, right? What is binomial? Bi means two. Any expression that has two terms is known as binomial. For example, 4x square plus 7. In this case we have two terms, 1 and 2. So this is known as binomial expression. Now again come to trinomial. Trinomial means, tri means 3. So any expression that has 3 terms, that is known as trinomial, students. Very good. 1 term, 2 term and 3 term. Okay. So types of expression clear हो गया. Now student, what is polynomial? Poly means many. The word poly means many. Nomial means number. So any expression which have more than 2 terms is known as polynomial. ये trinomial भी मेरा polynomial है, binomial भी मेरा polynomial है, right? और अगर ज़्यादा terms हैं तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे स्टूडेंट? That is known as polynomial. So any expression having more than 2 terms is known as polynomial. For example, 4x cube plus 4x square plus 4x plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms, then this is polynomial. Okay? Binomial and trinomial, because these are also known as polynomial. Why? Because any expression having 2 or more term is known as polynomial. Clear students? Now, what are like and unlike terms? Like terms, unlike terms. Like term means an expression and a term which has same variable, right? For example, 4x minus 3x, 2x, all these are having same variable x. So these are known as like terms, right students? Unlike term, a term which has different variable. For example, 4x, 3y, 2c. So all these are having different variable. So these are unlike terms. Clear students? Now make one thing very clear students. Addition and subtraction is carried out only in the like terms only. अगर unlike terms हैं तो हम addition और subtraction नहीं कर सकते आपस में. Okay? If addition and subtraction is only carried out in like terms only, right students? Good. Now I will tell you few more example of like terms for student, like and unlike terms. Now I will give you one example, minus 7xy and 4yx, these two are like terms students. ओके, मल्टीप्लीकेशन में अगर हमारा वेरिएबल का प्लेस चेंज होता है, इट डज नॉट मैटर, दीज बोथ आर लाइक टर्म्स. ओके, क्लियर है? These both are like terms. Clear है students? First pair is like term, second pair is again a like term. हमारा न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू कुछ भी हो, हमको सिर्फ चेक क्या करना है, वेरिएबल चेक करना है. They should be same. अनलाइक का मैं एग्जाम्पल देता हूं स्टूडेंट्स. These both are unlike terms. Seven Z, X and Z, these both pairs are unlike terms. Clear है students? Now come to the addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression. हम addition कैसे carry out करेंगे students? Addition. Always remember student, in addition we can only add like terms together, right? For example, suppose we have an expression 7x square minus 4x plus 5, and the second expression is 9x minus 10. Okay, you have these two expressions and you have to add them. So what you will do, you will write like terms under like terms column wise, right? 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Now I have to add this term, so I will write 9x under like term. 4x के नीचे 9x आएगा स्टूडेंट, प्लस साइन, एंड माइनस 10 इज कांस्टेंट, तो दिस विल कम अंडर कांस्टेंट वैल्यू. नाउ वी विल ऐड देम, माइनस 5 प्लस 5x and this will become 7x square, right? So that's how we carry out addition. Okay students, good. Now student, we will learn subtraction, how to subtract two expressions, right? Subtraction. I will take one example. Subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3, right? So this is the question. Now always remember student, from के बाद वाला expression we write first. Okay, so this expression after from हम इसको पहले लिखेंगे. We will write this first, right? Now we have to subtract the first expression. Now always remember student, you will write like term under like term. 5x square, this will come under 7x square. Minus y square will come under minus y square. I will write it here. Okay, be careful while writing these expression. 6y, I will write it under 6y. Minus 3y, okay. So I will write y under y. So I will write here plus 6y minus 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Okay, this is minus 3y and this is minus 3. Now minus 3 is left student. हमारे पास कोई कांस्टेंट नहीं है, तो आई विल राइट इट सेपरेटली minus 3. Okay, now we will do our subtraction. Now second thing, most important thing, you will change the sign of the lower expression. आप साइन चेंज कर देंगे and you will write them in bracket. This is plus, उसका अपोजिट कर दीजिए जो है माइनस, and this will become plus. Okay, don't forget to change the sign, right? Now we will carry out the subtraction according to the new sign. 7 minus 5 will give you 2x square, minus 4xy, as it is minus 4xy आ जाएगा students, 8y square plus, so this will become plus 12y square plus 5x minus 3y minus 6y, it will become minus 9y and plus 3. This is your answer, students. Okay, so very careful while writing these expressions. Okay, write like terms under like terms, change the sign of the lower expression and carry out the subtraction, carry out the addition or subtraction according to the new sign. Okay, this is your answer. Now student, we will start with our exercise 9.1. okay, page number is 140. Question 1 is identify the terms, their coefficient for each of the following expression. First part I am doing for you, student. First part is 5x y square x y z square minus 3 zy. Read the question again. Identify the terms, their coefficient for each of the following expression. Now student, how many terms are there in this expression? We have two terms. Terms कितना है student? Okay, now we have to identify the coefficient. Now the coefficient here is 5 and minus 3, right? 5 in first term and minus 3 in the second term are the coefficient. Numeral coefficient हमको बताना है, right? Second part of the question is 1 plus x plus x square. So how many terms are there, student? Terms 3, 1 2 3 terms, right? Coefficients क्या होंगे? Coefficient 1 and 1, right? So only two. Constant का coefficient नहीं चाहिए. X का coefficient is 1, x square का coefficient is 1. Okay students, so do all other parts of question number on your own. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2, student. Question number 2 is classify the following polynomial as monomial, binomial and trinomial. You have to tell them whether these expressions are monomial, binomial or trinomial. Okay, the first part is x plus y x plus y, this is binomial, right? Now the second one is x square x plus x square plus x3 plus x4. Now how many terms are there? 1 2 3 4. So this is not a monomial, this is not a binomial, this is not a trinomial. What is this? This is polynomial. Okay, more than 3 terms, then it is a polynomial. Why? Because monomial has 1 term, binomial 2, trinomial 3, it has more than 3 terms, so it is a polynomial. ये इन तीनों कैटेगरी में से किसी में नहीं है, right? Good. Now do all the questions of this question number 2, all the parts on your own. Just see the number of terms and name them accordingly. Okay, good. Question number 3, student. Question number 3 is add the following. Add the following, students, right? Now second part I will do for you, that is third part. Third part I will do here, students. Third part is 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Okay, this is the one term. Second term is 5 plus 7pq. So I will write like terms under like terms as I told you earlier. So 5 will come under constant plus 7pq plus 7pq will written under pq minus 3p square minus 3p square q square. Okay, I have written these values accordingly, like term under like term. Now add these values, you will get minus p square q square plus 4pq plus 9. Okay, so this is your answer, student. Very simple question. Stay to the basics, fix to the basics, write like terms under like terms and add them. You will get your answer. Okay, students. Now do all other parts of question number 3 on your own. Come to question number 4. Question number 4, first part I am doing for you. It is subtraction. Right? Question says 4a minus 7b plus 3b plus 12 from. The expression after from is written first. From के बाद वाला expression क्या है student? 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Okay, we have to subtract 4a. Now 4a will come under 4a minus 7ab, like terms under like term, student, plus 3b. Okay, and plus 12 finally, right? Now in subtraction what we do, second step, we change the sign of the lower expression. उसका opposite कर देंगे जो given है. Okay, 12 minus 4 is how much? 8a. 9 minus 9 plus 7 minus 2ab plus 5b plus 2b minus 3 and minus 12 become minus 15. This is your answer, student. Okay, so that's how you will do the subtraction. Your exercise is over, student. Do all the questions neatly in your copies. Okay, your work will be checked by the teachers. Bye bye, take care.